Get this boy out of my house today! He is not my real son.
He brings shame to our rich family. I cannot accept him here anymore.
Dad, please listen once. I did nothing wrong. I only need your trust.
You are a mistake from the past, and I will fix it today.
Mom, please say something. I am scared and I do not understand anything.
Do not call me Mom again. I never accepted you as my son.
Security is waiting outside. Take him far away and never bring him back.
I promise one day I will return stronger, and you will regret this moment.
Hey, kid. Why are you sitting alone outside in this cold night?
I have no home now. My family threw me away like I was nothing.
Life is hard sometimes, but strong people use pain to build their future.
I feel very hurt, but I want to become powerful and never feel weak again.
Then start working tomorrow morning. I can give you a small job at my shop.
Thank you, sir. I will work very hard and never waste this chance.
Sir, I finished cleaning everything, and I also fixed the broken machines today.
You learn very fast. Your mind is sharp. You can build something big someday.
I read business books every night, and I want to understand money and power deeply.
Remember this, money is not everything, but power comes from smart decisions always.
I will remember your words, and I will build my own company one day. Ethan, you always study business plans. Do you have a real idea now? Yes, I want to build a technology company that helps small shops grow faster. That sounds good, but starting a company needs money and strong connections too.
I have no rich family, but I have strong will and clear vision for future.
I believe in you, and let me join you and help build this dream together. Thank you. Together, we will create something big and change our lives forever.
Your idea looks simple, but I see big potential in this growing market.
I started from nothing, but I understand struggle and real problems of small businesses.
I will give you funding, but I expect strong results and fast growth, always.
I will not disappoint you, and I will work day and night to succeed.
Ethan, our company is growing fast. We now have many clients across different cities.
This is only the beginning. We need to expand and reach national levels soon.
You changed a lot. You look more confident and powerful than before.
Pain changed me. I remember every insult, and it pushes me forward daily.
Sir, there is a big opportunity. A famous company is facing financial problems now.
What is the company name, and who is the current owner of that company?
It is Carter Group, one of the oldest and richest companies in this city.
Prepare full report quickly. I want to know everything about their situation today.
Ethan, why are you so serious suddenly? Is something important happening right now?
Carter Group is my past. The family who threw me away lives there now.
You mean your real father owns that company? This is unbelievable situation.
Yes, and now they are weak. This is the perfect time for my return.
Sir, Carter Group is losing money fast. We need a strong investor immediately.
We need help quickly, or we will lose everything we have built over years.
I built this company with my own hands. I will not let it fall.
Sir, a new investor wants to meet. He is very rich and powerful now.
Arrange the meeting today. I will talk and try to save this company.
Hello. I heard your company needs help, and I am here to offer a solution.
Thank you for coming. We need investment, and we are ready for partnership deal.
I do not want partnership. I want full control of this company today.
That is impossible. We cannot give control to a stranger like you.
Then your company will fall, and you will lose everything very soon.
Wait, please sit down, let us talk, and find a better solution together. There is only one solution: transfer ownership, or face complete financial destruction soon.
Who are you? Why do you sound so confident and fearless today?
Look carefully at my face. Maybe you will remember something from your past.
Your face looks familiar, but I cannot remember where I saw you before.
Years ago, you threw a small boy outside your house without any mercy.
No, this cannot be true. That boy was weak and useless at that time.
That weak boy is standing before you today, stronger and richer than ever.
Ethan, is that really you? I cannot believe what I am seeing now.
Yes, I am Ethan, the mistake you wanted to erase from your life forever.
Please forgive us. We were wrong. We did not understand your value earlier.
Forgiveness is not easy, but I carried this pain and anger for many years.
I am sorry. I was blind with pride and made the biggest mistake. Sorry cannot fix the past, but today, I will decide your future completely.
Please save this company. It is everything we have in this life.
Sign the papers, transfer everything, and I will save your company from falling.
I have no choice now, and I will sign and accept your condition today.
Good decision. Sometimes life gives second chances, but not for everyone always.
Ethan, you finally did it, and you now own the company of your past.
This is not just business. This is my answer to every insult I faced. What will you do now? Will you destroy them or give them another chance? I will not destroy them, and I will make them see my success every day.
Thank you for saving the company. And I know I do not deserve your help.
You will work here like everyone else and earn respect through honest work now.
We understand. We will accept any condition you give us today.
Good, because power is not given by family. It is earned by hard work. You became everything they said you could never become in your life.
Yes, and this is just the beginning. I will build something even bigger now.